Hey guys, welcome back to another day TA video. Sorry about the inconsistency. I just got my car stolen just yesterday during the day after a gym sesh. So I've been dealing with that, but as of right now, we're just focused on the market and we're just gonna get right into it. So first off is NVDA, and I've been mentioning this name for quite a minute now, guys. And the TA was pretty simple and easy game plan. I said if you break above 180 and you did break above 180, you could see a price retest to 185 or break 185. And I said break above 185 to see a move to $200. And guys, this game plan is super simple. As long as you hold above 185, I do expect NVIDIA to climb up to $200. Okay, and we're just gonna move on, and you guys can just use previous support levels as you guys' support. So 180 and 175, or even the EMAs on the daily time frame. And we're gonna move on to MSTR. So MSTR is forming a bull flag on the 4-hour time frame. And right now you are retesting this previous support here at 324. So if we look here, we kind of draw our zone here. You see this previous support, and now it's acting as previous resistance. So if we see a bullish catalyst tomorrow, considering that we could be facing a government shutdown today, so if we break above 324 for MSTR, we could see a move back up to 350, and yeah, just to retest these previous range. But as of right now, that's currently what I'm looking at for MSTR. I'm not really interested in this name below 324, but if we do break back above 324, definitely keep an eye on this name. So we're gonna move on to PLTR. This is a name I did get in yesterday in VC, and I'm currently still holding. And this name definitely has potential, definitely forming a bull flag on the daily time frame. And if we look here, if we see a break above at least to 184, or even like if you're very conservative, you can wait above 185.7. But really, what I'm looking at for PLTR is a break above this channel to see a break out to 190, or even if we do the technical target, let's see, technical target is 191. Okay, but that is what I'm currently looking at for PLTR. Break above this channel, and we could see a breakout back up to all-time highs 190. And your guys' support level is the 80 MA on the daily time frame, which is 178.5. Okay, and we're gonna move on to Coinbase. Alright, so Coinbase is definitely forming a potential inverse head and shoulders on the daily time frame. So we have our left shoulder here, we have the head here, and we're forming a right shoulder here. And guys, do not underestimate this pattern, because this was a previous. Coinbase really does this all the time. We could look over here when I got the bottom here. So we did the left shoulder, we got the head here, and we formed the right shoulder right here. And you see that crazy breakout. So what I'm literally looking at is if we break above, which we did today, is break above 335, we can see move back up to 346. But really my target above 346 or 335 is 377 to fill this gap on the daily time frame. Okay, and yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Break above 335, 346 to see a move back up to 377. And you guys use the EMAs as your guys' support levels. And we're gonna move on from Coinbase. It's Microsoft. This is a name that I've also been calling out in the Discord. We did break above this channel on the daily time frame, and like I've been saying, the real move is gonna be above 520. Break above 520 to see a move to 532. Break above 532 to see a move back up to 538. And break above 538 to see the move back up to 555 to retest this crazy dump post earnings dump. But yeah, guys, I'll be definitely patient on this name. I grabbed calls here at 507, so I'm not really tripping. So I'll definitely keep an eye on Microsoft above 520. Okay, and we're gonna move on to AMD. Alright, so if we go look at AMD on the forward time frame, we are forming this ascending triangle on the daily. On the 4-hour. So I've been calling out this stubborn resistance level at 162. Definitely keep your eye on this, because this price is actually coiling up. So we're seeing price action is getting smaller, and we could see a move back up here, or even a downside play below today's lows, which is 159. But yeah, guys, definitely keep an eye on. Sorry, let me fucking delete these shitty drawings. And yeah, definitely keep an eye on AMD above 162. This name's been getting destroyed around this level, so definitely keep that in mind. But price action is getting tight on the 4 hour, so definitely watch out for AMD. And we're gonna move on to Lilly. So Lilly is a name that's more of a long-term play in my opinion. So if you kind of look out and zoom out, the bigger picture is this massive channel on the monthly time frame, or even this weekly time frame. And what I'm currently looking at for Lilly is hold above 760 to see a move to 778, which is gap support. But really, I'm trying to above 760. My real target is $800 for a potential gap fill on the daily time frame. Okay, so just keep in mind that price did pump 5% today, so maybe we see consolidation before more continuation. But definitely keep an eye on Lilly, and we see strong volume supporting this move, which is a great sign for bulls. But definitely keep an eye on Lilly above 760 for a move back up to $800. Okay, and we're gonna go on to UNH. So UNH is forming this pennant on the daily time frame. We are seeing signs of accumulation on the daily time frame, and we're seeing these big pops of volume on the daily. And right now we did reject from the top of this triangle, so definitely keep an eye on UNH above 350 for a move back up to 362, 365. But really, I've been mentioning this in my Discord, as long as 340 holds on the daily, you could see a move back up to 377 to fill the gap on the daily time frame. But yeah, boys and girls, that's definitely it for right now, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.